Welcome to my new apartment. Okay, so this is our front door, obviously. Stop.
First of all, I didn't know.
Then we have these hooks right here in the doorway. Very cute because now I don't have to buy any.
Ooh la la.
Then we're in our kitchen. We have a fridge. Y'all know what the fuck a fridge does, but
You know what the fridge be like.
I like it because it has French doors.
Ooh la la.
I
say ooh la la. Ooh la. I never seen no shit like that before.
Then you know we got some cabinets.
Mmm.
We got some cabinets over here too. Over here, down below. Look at our nice Samsung oven and stove and microwave.
Whoa. Oh my god, I have never seen this before.
Then we have our nice large sink with like a it's not gold, I guess like kind of brass. Bronze. What is this called?
A sink.
No, this part of the sink.
Faucet.
Yes, a faucet.
Ooh la la.
Then we have some storage up here. We're gonna put cookbooks up here, maybe some wine glasses, some wine bottles. Then we got our Samsung dishwasher. Look, somebody left me a gift. The limit does not exist. I gotta throw it out though.
It's moist too.
Because they had this on.
Oh, I think that really was a gift. They said they wanted to be.
More cabinets.
Listen to how there's no slamming, you guys.
Yeah.
Wow.
More cabinets. This is gonna be my pantry.
Pantry.
And then we have our living space. Our living
Ooh la shoo la la.
We have a balcony. I'm not gonna take her out there. You don't want to see that.
You don't need to see nothing over there. But get into this island.
Yeah, let's get into the island. Oh. This has a drawer for my trash. So I gotta put some trash bags in there. And then this is for valet trash. So I would just transfer it in there and they pick up my trash for me.
Ooh la shoo la la.
Then this is the bedroom. I think I want to do curtains in here.
Ooh,
but this is the bedroom. The bed's gonna go over here.
and
then I want to get 2 nightstands since there's plugs right here. And then on this side is gonna be the dresser and then my TV. And then I think I'm gonna put a mirror over here. We'll see. I gotta set up my internet. I'm pretty sure this is what this box is. Also, I love the black hardware on all the doors. Really, really pretty.
Very hard.
Then we have our bathroom. Look at all the cabinet space. I'm weak at you trying to fit into this tiny corner.
Be serious. This is a serious footage.
Look at all of this nice cabinet space. We also have some nice drawers. I'm gonna be organizing all of my stuff in here. And then we have cabinets under here as well. Lots of cabinet space. Nice mirror.
Pose first in the camera. We're back.
And then we have another hook so I can put my bathrobe.
Oh, now this is nice.
We got a nice little shower deep tub. We got Samsung washer and
we not that far.
She gotta get the views. Beep 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 beep. I'm screaming. Then moving into please be serious. Yes. Then moving into the closet, we have Samsung washer and dryer.
That's nice.
And then we have our nice walk-in closet.
Step inside the closet. Be who you are for your pride. But just because you can walk in the closet, guess what else you can do? Walk out. Be who you are. Happy Pride, you guys. I love you.
You can also use the bathroom.
Christened. I peed in it.
Okay.
Yes.
And that's the end of my apartment tour. Stay tuned for the movie vlogs. They're coming. So yeah. Don't let the door hit you where the good Lord split you.
Or your ass crack. So fucking silly. Okay. Well, don't talk. Okay, let's take two. Period. I'm never leaving here. I live here now.
I will visit.
Thank you for entertaining my shenanigans.
Whores in this house. There's some 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 whores in this house.